we like to call getting answers to immigration questions. I'm jumping ahead. Let's go to Charles in Oakland, California. Charles.
Hey, Brad.
What's up?
What up, Brad? How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm good. I saw you sometime last year, but
Well, I didn't hear what you said, Charles. Say it again.
I called you sometime last year, but I
Okay.
think in the middle of the show. I like calling when you guys are in the show.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the thing. I'm at the NVC stage.
Right.
I filled back in January last year. This early January, I filled up all the forms, and I clicked submit. This was shortly before the ban.
Okay. Who's sponsoring you?
No, I'm the one. I'm
You're
the
American.
sponsor.
Okay, or a resident.
Yeah.
Who are you
No,
sponsoring?
I have a green card.
Who are you sponsoring?
Me, I'm the sponsor.
Who are you sponsoring? Who are you bringing over?
Oh, my wife is in Nigeria.
Your
My
wife
wife's
is in Nigeria. Got it. Okay.
Yeah. So, what happened is, shortly before the ban was announced, they sent me the I-864. They said it was it was protected. I should send another one. So I did, and they had been telling me they kept sending it back, saying I have to send it again. Then error messages started showing up. Then I don't know, something happened. I don't know what happened. I couldn't do it anymore. Then the ban came. Okay.
Right.
Then then at that point we couldn't really do anything. The portal was having problems. So I've been struggling with it for almost throughout the year until early November. I went to Nigeria and I came back. Early November, I tried it again. I did another upload and it went. It said submitted, but it didn't say accepted. Okay. I wanted to know, because I had submitted it long ago, I was told that there are other forms that came out too. I don't know what other form I'm supposed to add to it, and I don't know when it's going to be submitted.
So, Charles, this is what I suggest, okay? Let's wait. Biden's going to be the president. You know, right now there's a proclamation. Your wife can't come here because of the Trump proclamation. We're going to assume that sometime shortly after January 20th, that proclamation is going to be lifted, and then all of these visas are going to start being processed in Nigeria. So let's wait until January 20th and see before we move forward, okay?
Well, I was thinking at least the NVC should have submitted my document.
You can call the NVC. You can write them and see what they say. I don't know where you are. You know, all I've heard so far is you've been visiting your wife and you're uploading documents. So I don't know what you've done. So, you know, have a consultation with me in January because we know the proclamation will be over shortly thereafter, and then I'll help you get your wife here. All right? So hold on one second. Let's go to Bunge in Chicago, Illinois. Bunge. Bunge.
Hello?
Bunge. B-U-N-J. Bunja, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Dad. How are you?
Good. What can I do to help you?
Thank you. So, first of all, y'all doing phenomenal. Thank you.
Thank you. What can I do to help you?
Yes. I have a question. Like, if you file for I-715 and it's pending for 6 months, and within that, you know, your spouse filed for a divorce, and you have to, your spouse filed for divorce.
For divorce.
To divorce.
Your spouse filed. You filed an I-751, and your spouse filed for divorce 6 months after you filed.
Yeah, while the divorce, the I-715 is pending for 6 months.
I understand.
Then he filed for a divorce, you know, and you have 6 months before you can file for N-400, and you get served. You know, they serve you a letter, and you was in there. You know,
but
I want to ask
your N-400 is going to be denied because you don't have a bona fide marriage with your wife anymore. You can still your N-400 will be denied. I'm sure you based your N-400 based on the fact that you're in a bona fide marriage with your wife for 3 years. That will be denied because she started a divorce. So there's no purpose in doing the N-400.
But if you start a divorce and it's not final before that, you know.
It doesn't change my answer. I know exactly what happened. You are no longer in a bona fide marriage with your wife. Therefore, your citizenship will be denied. You have to be in a bona fide marriage every day until the day you swear in. So your citizenship
Yeah.
is going to be denied. Now, what you need to do is, because your wife filed a divorce, is you got to now write a letter to the USCIS and request that they change your I-751 from a joint petition to a waiver of the joint petition based on a terminated marriage that was bona fide. And then you're going to complete the case yourself. Once you have your green card for 5 years, you're going to refile for your citizenship. You need to hold on 1 second, all right? Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.